Hi friend, now I'm taking a video to show you how to go to setting. First, you need to open the back side of this machine and you will find a button like this, on this button, and you press it and then we will go to the setting. Usually this button is around this area. You try to find it and press. Okay, let's go. And when we go to the setting page like this, we go to other set. First you press the password, and the password is 80. And you down, and you confirm. Okay, now we go to the setting page. First, we change or add the gift. You go to the input and output test. Go to the out test. For example, now A4, if we want to change the gift, A4, then we open, and now this already open, and we take this out and put this in and close it. Okay, that's it. And if you want to make all box opened, you just alt all, then all will be opened automatically one by one, and you put this in one by one and close it by hand. Okay, then return. After finish this, you need to go to patch gift set, like A4 before it's we don't have. So after you put this in, you need to make it have, or like this, have. That means all box have the gift inside, so player can buy or win the gift. And now you go to return. And another one is you can buy gift set. That means you can change the coin. For example, this one. Now A3 is 1 coin for 1 play. If you want change, you price, like make it 10, and you down, and you confirm. So now it's 10 coin for 1 play. So if you want change, you can make it one by one by yourself, and you return. And remember, every time when you like change or add the gift, you need to make here go to have. Okay, that's it. And another one, account statistic. So you can check here how many you win. Go to account. And here you also can change the game play time, like level time, or like this. Okay, and return. And presents the difficulty means, for example, in A area 3 means in A area, if you play 3 times, you can win 1 gift. Return. And others, I don't need to pay too much attention to it. Okay, that's it. And quit and return. Now that's it, and you can start the game. So for example, number 4. Okay, that's it. And after you're there, you need to close it. Take this out and close